Hello guys, this is SG Technical Circle and you're watching our channel upon YouTube, upon Facebook and any other platform maybe. Today we are going to customize our PC according to our desires and according to our taste and according to our workspace. First of all, we just have to customize our PC by one step. First step is that you just have to change the icon of the folders. If for the changing the icon the folder, I am taking here the three dummy icons just to show you how can it may vary. I have taken these folders and now I'm going to customize one of them. Now I'm going to right click and properties to customize and changing the icon to the yellow to any other icon. Now I am clicking to any desired icon and after that I have taken it and now get it. Now I'm going to do same with rest remaining folders. Now I have done of three folders icon have been changed. Now the second step is that we just have to do something that after applying this icon to the folder, now we are going to proceed our second step. Now you are looking at how good they are looking. Before going to the second step, now I am going to tell you that what is our second step. Second step is just to hide our some folders, how to hide our folders. Now we are going to take a new folder just to like how we can secure our folder by using some of the tricks like dummy folder. I'm going to customize. I'm going to click an empty folder icon. Empty folder icon is just a empty space that means that there is nothing which will show that there is nothing. You can say that there is nothing. Look at the folder, there is nothing showing here. Now this is good for you that you can put any of the legal and essential and the secure documents in that case. Now no one will see this folder at all. You just have to put your things in it. This is a very good initiative for those who are security conscious in for their PC, for the laptop, for their files. Now the other step, the main step that we are taking is just that we are going to hide the desktop apps before you. We are going to hide these folders before you in just few seconds. Yeah, here we go that we are going to change the wallpaper of the desktop. Therefore we are going to slideshow icon, slideshow tab. We have to assign the destination folder, that in my case it is wallpapers. I have selected wallpapers and after that I am going to click the shuffle, and shuffle means that it will not be in the regular way, it will choose the random wallpaper in the folder, and this is the time period that tells that after how much time it will change and how it will vary to the other. Now I have selected these default, these are selected by me and these are set by me already. In this case I am going to do something else that is going to be very interesting for you and in my case I have selected these things, and you just have to keep in mind that these are very easy. And the third one is just to hide these folders. You're looking at Opera, this PC, recycle bin, and etc. I am going to that. I am going to hit the right click, and in the view I am going to show desktop icons. Then you can say that these will vanish automatically. Now I am going to hide something like taskbar is automatically changed when I will change it. Now you can see that our desktop is ready, but the taskbar is is a distortion in our aesthetic look. Now we are going to unlock the taskbar. Therefore we are going to get it on. Now you can see that there is a there is a quiet wallpaper with the desktop having no apps. You can easily go through the background apps by our this functionality. Yellow icon clicking, you will go uh, into the PC, and you can go to this PC desktop, any other local disk to your destination file. This is easy, so easy. And you can multitask, you can view your multitask which are being performed after the screen, behind the screen. These steps were to take you the firstly to those who are going to customize their PC. Now you can enjoy your PC's customization. See you for the next video. Hope you did enjoy it.